Leads are potential customers interested in your business. They are the lifeblood of any successful company, representing the individuals or organizations that have shown some level of interest in your products or services. They are crucial for growth. Without a steady stream of leads, your business would struggle to expand and reach new heights. Leads provide the opportunities needed to drive revenue and achieve long-term success. Attracting leads is the first step to making a sale. This involves various strategies, from digital marketing campaigns to traditional advertising methods, all aimed at capturing the attention of potential customers. Effective lead generation helps you find the right customers. It's not just about quantity, but quality. Identifying leads that are genuinely interested in what you offer ensures a higher conversion rate and better customer satisfaction. These are the people who need and want what you offer. Understanding their needs and preferences allows you to tailor your approach, making your marketing efforts more effective and personalized. Leads don't become customers overnight, it's a process. First, you build awareness. This involves making potential customers aware of your brand and what you offer through various channels. Then, you nurture their interest. This step is crucial as it involves engaging with leads, providing them with valuable information, and addressing their concerns to build trust and interest. Finally, you convert them into loyal clients. This is achieved by offering exceptional value and service, ensuring that their experience with your business is positive and memorable. This journey requires a strategic approach. Each step must be carefully planned and executed to guide leads through the sales funnel, ultimately turning them into satisfied repeat customers. Before we dive in, please subscribe if you haven't yet, like and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive is here to revolutionize your lead generation efforts. It's an online platform with powerful tools. These tools automate and streamline your marketing. This frees you to focus on other vital aspects of your business. Onpassive uses artificial intelligence, or AI. AI helps you target the right audience. It analyzes data to find potential customers. This ensures your marketing reaches the most receptive audience. Email marketing remains one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. Despite the rise of social media and other digital marketing channels, email continues to deliver strong results. It allows direct communication with leads, providing a personal touch that other forms of marketing often lack. This direct line to your audience can be incredibly powerful. Onpassive makes email marketing even more powerful by offering advanced tools and features. These tools are designed to enhance your email campaigns and make them more effective. It provides tools to create engaging emails that capture your audience's attention. With Onpassive, you can design visually appealing emails that stand out in crowded inboxes. It also helps you send them to the right people at the right time, ensuring your message reaches your audience when they are most likely to engage with it. Personalization is key in email marketing. Tailoring your messages to individual recipients can significantly increase engagement and response rates. Onpassive lets you personalize your messages with ease. You can customize your emails to address each lead by name and include relevant content. You can address leads by name and segment your audience based on various criteria, such as demographics, behavior, and past interactions. This targeted approach leads to higher engagement and conversion rates. By delivering the right message to the right people, you can achieve better results and drive more conversions. Section 4. Social media. Connecting with your audience. In today's digital age, social media is not just a platform for socializing, but a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience. Social media is essential for lead generation. It allows businesses to reach a wider audience, engage with potential customers, and convert leads into loyal clients. It's where your customers are. People spend a significant amount of time on social media platforms, making it the perfect place to capture their attention and interest. Onpassive helps you harness the power of social media. Our tools and strategies are designed to maximize your social media presence and effectiveness. It provides tools for scheduling posts and tracking engagement. With Onpassive, you can plan your content in advance and monitor how well it performs. With Onpassive, you can run targeted ad campaigns. These campaigns are tailored to reach specific demographics, ensuring that your message gets to the right people. These campaigns reach your ideal customers on their preferred platforms. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, we ensure your ads are seen by those who matter most. Social media engagement is valuable. Engaging with your audience through comments, likes, and shares helps build a community around your brand. It helps you build relationships with potential customers. By consistently interacting with your audience, you can foster trust and loyalty, turning followers into long-term customers. Section 5. Content marketing, providing value, attracting leads. Content marketing is about providing valuable information. This builds trust and attracts potential customers. Onpassive supports your content marketing strategy. It helps you create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Blogs, articles, and videos are effective content formats. They educate and engage your audience. Onpassive helps you optimize your content. This ensures it reaches a wider audience organically. Section 6. Onpassive, fueling business growth through leads. Onpassive empowers your business with effective lead generation. By automating and streamlining your marketing efforts, Onpassive saves you time and resources. This allows you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. With Onpassive, you can attract more leads, nurture relationships, and convert them into loyal customers. Embrace the power of Onpassive and unlock your business's true potential. For more information about Onpassive and how to market more successfully, go to the description below. Thank you and have a prosperous day.